in this session I am going to take up for discussion the State Finance Commission as given under Article 243I of Indian Constitution, which actually constitutes a very important provision under 73rd Constitutional Amendment Act of 1992. Friends, what I would just like you all to remember that under the provisions of Article 243I, in each state, governor will constitute a State Finance Commission. State Finance Commission. Right? So, what you should remember, after every 5 years, who will constitute? Governor. Governor will constitute, right, one State Finance Commission, and this State Finance Commission primarily is to review the financial position of panchayats, Okay, the way we have Central Finance Commission under the provisions of Article 280 of Indian Constitution. Okay, so under Article 243I, the governor of the state after every 5 years will constitute one State Finance Commission, and that State Finance Commission has to review the financial position of panchayats. Not only that, right, not only that, I would just like you all to remember that this State Finance Commission will also give recommendations to governor, and what all recommendations it will give? Number one, principles, right, principles which should govern the distribution between the states and panchayats, net proceeds of taxes, right, taxes, duties, okay, tolls, fees which levied by state. Okay, so this State Finance Commission will decide that in what manner the taxes, the duties, the tolls which are levied by the state and is to be used by the state will be distributed between state and panchayats. Same is the function of Central Finance Commission as far as financial relationship between center and states are concerned. But a State Finance Commission has a role to play as far as, the distribution of net proceeds of taxes, tolls, duties or fees which are levied by a state is concerned. This will be decided by the State Finance Commission. Not only this, right, but it will also recommend governor of the state, principles principles which should govern the determination of taxes, duties, tolls, fees, which may be assigned to the panchayats. Okay. So, one will be the taxes which are levied by the state, the net proceeds should be shared between state and panchayat. What principles? That will be decided by the State Finance Commission. But the State Finance Commission will also tell the governor that these are the taxes which can be assigned to panchayats. Let them levy, let them collect, let them use. Okay. Not only this, right? Not only this, but it will also recommend governor of the state the principles which should govern grant in aid to panchayats. Okay, grant in aid to panchayat, meaning the financial grant which should be given by the state to panchayat. And believe, let me tell you, there is a difference between grant and loan. Loan is to be repaid, grant is not to be repaid. So what principles should be applied for giving grant in aid to panchayats? That would also be recommended by the State Finance Commission. So I would just like you all to remember this, that State Finance Commission will decide principles which should govern the determination of taxes, duties, tolls and fees which may be assigned to panchayats. It will govern the principles which should decide the grant in aid to be given to panchayats, but the most important, that it should govern the principles which should determine the manner in which there will be distribution between states and panchayat, the net proceeds of those taxes, tolls, duties which are levied by the state, collected by the state. But state should not use it completely, but should share it with panchayat. How the sharing will take place, those principles are recommended by State Finance Commission, and the State Finance Commission under the provisions of Article 243I is to be constituted by the governor every 5 years. And whatever recommendations are given by the State Finance Commission, that will be tabled before the state legislature. It is governor who causes the recommendations of State Finance Commission to be tabled before the state legislature for discussion and approval. Okay. So what I am just interested in telling you, that it's very important that in each state, under the provisions of Article 273, we have created the provision for constitution of a State Finance Commission. Every 5 years it is to be constituted by the governor, and this will review the financial position of panchayats, but the most important, the functions which I have told you, and this is why it plays a very, very important role as far as financial health of panchayat is concerned. So this is about the State Finance Commission.